So friends, in this video of the Facebook ads course, today we are going to learn that if you want great results in Facebook ads, right? And you want that in your ads there should be no errors, there should no issues, and you want to achieve the very best results, then for that, when you will make creatives, then definitely you should know their correct sizes and specifications. And if you are making creatives for Facebook ads by yourself, whether it's video, image or carousel, or suppose if you are getting them made by your graphic designer or video editor, then the information I'm about to give you, make sure to save it because it's going to be useful in every campaign. So for different placements and in different types of ads, also in different campaigns and formats, we need different sizes and specifications. And suppose if for that particular campaign you don't use the correct size and specification accordingly, then your ad might show an error or you might not get the performance you're looking for. So now as you can see on my computer screen right here, so what you do is you normally go to Google and just search Facebook ads sizes and its specifications. Alright, as you type, the first link that appears will be for Facebook ads guide from facebook.com, which is official site. So I've clicked on that. And here you can see that you are getting all four formats are array, image, video, carousel or collection. You can also click from here to navigate to them. Now look here, let's suppose that I went into the image format. I have to create images. So here it will tell me that if you want to run an ad on the Facebook feed, then for that these all are the design recommendations as you see here. Regarding file types, ratio, resolution, everything. Okay, over here. Now let's suppose instead of the Facebook feed, if it's Facebook marketplace, means if your ad is running there, then required sizes and specifications will show up here. Similarly for Facebook, what kind of specification are needed for ads in search results, those are listed here. And it's the same if I have an ad running in an in-stream video, the sizes for videos and all that stuff are listed here. Now friends, as you can see here, I have shown you all about images, and also you can see that there are different sizes for different placements, right? This is where people make mistakes. They want same creative to work on every format, but it's not possible. Because the size specifications you apply and add to your ad creative, those are what Facebook will show your ad on the formats for which it's sized. If it doesn't fit, then how your ad will be displayed. Here I will come to video. And in video I have to run on Facebook feed, okay, or run it on Instagram Reels, and it will give you the entire details and every single thing that you need. This is what you'll need if you're creating the video yourself, or if video editor is doing, then he should know. It's the same way for carousel ads. So friends, let's suppose that if you are making the carousel ads, alright? Okay, so here for carousel ads, wherever you want to run them, if you want to run on Instagram Explore, what sizes you need, all the recommendations are provided here. And it's the same for collections as you can see here. So now as you can see here clearly that there are so many different sizes, specifications and so many formats there are for Facebook and Instagram. Alright. So friends, never make this mistake, okay? Why do people not get best results for the budget they spend? So friends, basically these are the little things that takes extra time. They require extra effort. So this is one format of 1000 by 80, right? And you think it will work everywhere. Well, that is not going to happen, right? So that size where it is fit, there only Facebook will show it, otherwise it will not show anywhere else, right? So suppose if there are placements where you could get good results but you don't have correct sizes, then what will happen? That is why this is very important if you want to become a Facebook expert, I mean a true professional, not just someone who casually runs Facebook ads. As we run digital marketing agency, we pay attention to every single small details. Okay, we know where our audience is and what resolution sizes are needed for those specific placements and what specifications are needed, and we cross-check them. And we provide it to our designers and we get the creatives made. And that is when our reach improves and our budget gets optimized. All these things help with budget optimization, increasing reach and boosting conversions, right? So now make sure to save all these things I've told you, okay? And now whenever you make the ads, you should cross-check them and then you can see the difference. Alright? I hope this video will be helpful throughout the entire Facebook ads journey.